Hakar Pule tarik Jemang arsengi kenti la penlong yaka Eduvento ka balong ka wayne kilat ay Jingmut haki Jing Pule hapo All Saints Hall. Ka Jing tumo bakong san joko ni kalat ay Jingmut haki Jing Pule ka long ban pashat Jingmut bat Jingmut toy ki Khynnah Pule ki ba jalanti bat ki ba menang banjit ya renti Pule. Ladan ru ka Jing emir Jingmut hapadeng ki Khynnah bat ki ba na kiwe ki shlam Jing hikai jong ki jela ba marjan. Lagi paungut ki Khynnah Pule ki laya paisa kan ka jingalang bat ka thap kerteng na ka bentak ki lanjing Pule ki ba bon belai kum ka BSc MBBS BBA Mass Communication bat kiwe ru komjo.
I am representing Sandeep University. This is an university near Mumbai at Nasik. University which houses 15,000 students, a force to reckon with. It has carved a niche for itself globally. We have many international memorandum of understanding. We have many courses to run. It's forensic, aerospace, microbiology, fashion design, computer science, forensic, business analytic, artificial intelligence. You name a course, think about it, it's over there. It's run by a professional who is the chairman, Dr. Sandeep Jha, a visionary. He deeply gets involved and ensures everything which is best for the student is delivered. His housing, his food, everything is being taken care of. The placements are best. I tell you why. Because it's a curriculum which is being designed by IIT and IIMs. It's run by the best of the faculty. I ensure that the first 6 months is the basic foundation where English speaking fluently is the main forte. Everybody goes through it. And the last thing, 6 months is dedicated for its personality. Where is the doubt? The placement has to come. It comes in the best way. We go for paid internship and there itself the industry sees, yes, we have got the best from the university. The placement is good, the faculty is good, the conducive atmosphere to study, to play, to learn is innovative in nature. All that I have to say. In days to come, maybe couple of years, max 5 years down the line, it will be numero uno in the country. Thank you. God bless.
Today we are organizing this event for Eduvento in Shillong. Today is the first day and tomorrow also we are doing the same event. Last year also we did this event in the same place, All Saints Hall, and we got very good response. But this time we are feeling we will get very good response because it's a fantastic crowd. And I hope it will help the students, those who are looking for higher studies after completing their 12th and those who are going to complete their graduations also looking for the master degree in India or abroad. They will get a very good opportunity here, the platform. At least they will come to know which institute will be better for them if they would like to go outside the mountains for their higher studies. And I believe that Shillong students, basically Khasi students, Garo students and JNKs also, they all are very good and intelligent students, but they need a platform due to lack of information. They are not getting the right platform to utilize them. But this is the right place. I think if they will come and join this Edufair and they will see the various colleges. And we have colleges from Pune also. I would like to tell you some name of the colleges like Ajinkya D.Y. Patil from Pune, then JSPM Pune, then Calcutta Adamas, NSHM from Guwahati Sunstone, then East Point Bangalore. There are so many colleges, those who are participating in our event. So I request from your media that those who are looking for higher studies, they can also come today as well as tomorrow also to get this opportunity. And we are giving a Bluetooth headphones also for the students, those who are already appeared 12 art science commerce as well as new final year students. And I would like to tell some of the those who support us here is this both the people. So I'd like to tell that we will speak something for the students. Please.
Yeah, so I'm also representing this event. I'm being a promoter of this event. So it's nice looking at the crowd, how they are there. And one thing, I'm a local from here, from Meghalaya. What I've seen is there's not many colleges which provide professional courses in our state, Meghalaya especially. So by this event, the student can explore much more like what are the colleges they want to study, they want to go for higher studies. They can take some consultation, they can take some guidance and all.